Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to print a PDF file using Foxit PDF Editor. Open your PDF file with Foxit PDF Editor. Now select File option on the left side top corner and this is Print option. Select and Print dialog box now open. First select here Printer and select Foxit PDF Editor Printer. You can print all page, current page and fit to printer margin or not. You can print as booklet, title, large space. Also, you can print as grayscale, print as image. You can add bleed marks and so on. And it's advanced option and its properties dialog box. You can change here default setting and its layout. You can print as A4 size, legal letter, or print letter size, image scaling. Yeah. Now finally select OK. Save as it. Stop and save. And say this. A PDF file now printed. Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment.